I'm Jodie, I'm the founder of Selfspace, and this is part of the Mindful Tax Return series. Organisation and being organised is something that's really underrated. Now, I don't think we need to tend to this in a way that keeps us really tightly bound and restricted. But being organised can be really powerful for your life. It can be really powerful for how we get things done. A sense of organisation can give you a real kind of authority over the things that you have to do in your life. And so taking some time to think about what being organised means for you, what little things can you do to get yourself organised, whether it's writing lists, whether it's keeping notes in a notebook, whether it's really kind of organising your bag, whatever it is you need to do to feel a bit more organised, do it.